Okay, so I want to talk about how you can leverage a compliment to actually open up a prospect. It's crazy. You can really go deep very quickly when this happens. So, this might be that you've just done a piece of content online and someone said it was good, or maybe they looked at your profile and they thought you were interesting on LinkedIn, or perhaps you did a talk or a presentation and they said, hey, I really liked it. It was really good. Well done. What you can do is basically filter out all of the good feeling and zone in on the thing they liked the most. So when they get you that compliment, your next question is really important. It should be, thank you so much. We'll start with appreciating it, right? So thank you so much. What in particular did you like the most? Or what in particular was of most value? Or what in particular did you find most interesting? So what we're doing here is we're now getting them to think that for themselves, well, I said it was good, but it was actually that particular thing I liked the most. What happens is, in order to get that answer, they have to go back inside their mind, remember the experience, and then pick out the thing that resonated most for them. You may know or have a good handle on what people tend to like about presentations or value you give on the content or whatever, but to hear their articulation of it is such gold, because now you can see exactly through their eyes, with their words, the thing that they liked the most about you or your presentation or whatever it was they complimented. And now you've got the thing that they like most about that engagement with you. So that's what you can focus on. That basically is a reflection often of need as well. Oh, well, that's the thing that stood out most for me. I really found that bit was useful. Great. So now I can say, like, why do you think that was useful? Well, it's because I need more help with this particular area of our business. A really good place where this works is when you use lead magnets. So, you know, the ones where you say, I'll share with you a quick PDF with 5 key points or tips you should do, and that will help you achieve this particular goal. So send it to them. When you find out that it was interesting, when you get in touch, and of course they liked it, thanks so much, I really appreciated it. It was a great read. Then, of course, your next question is, fantastic, thanks so much for that. Just out of interest, what particular part of it did you like the most? Or what particular part resonated most with you? Oh, it was this particular bit, Richard. Well, why is that? Well, because it helps me with this thing. Really? Why is that a problem? Well, it's something we've been trying to fix. And look, there's my sales conversation right there. So when someone shows you interest, gives you a compliment, your job is to narrow the focus on what particular part of that they really resonated with, and then you're away. Go try it out, see what you think. You'll find that it opens up conversations so quickly, simply because they've already reflected that there's a level of interest on their part through that compliment. Check out these videos here. There's actually quite a few different tips, different suggestions, and mistakes to avoid that I've tried over the years that have really made the difference for me.